We ain't doing that again.
That's what you said the last 6 times.
Well, I really mean it this time.
You seem a little out of it. Did you nut? Because usually you nut.
Were you baptized?
Yeah, in front of half of Chestnut Hill. Governor Sproul did the honors. My family kept up appearances, of course. Then we never set foot in church again.
I had lunch today with the reverend who baptized me. He's been getting heat to switch over to our church. You think a Homelander might be open to going easy on him? Just give him a little more time. I wouldn't ask if it was just anybody, but that man practically raised me.
So you didn't nut. You know, this whole Homelander is God shit. It's fucking ridiculous.
Really, you think so?
If he's a second coming, then what does that make me? Joseph? Let me talk about the biggest cuck in history. Man trades his best cow to bag some hot-ass virgin. And then God comes and squirts his baby gravy up her meat wallet. Fuck that.
I guess I've been struggling with where to place Homelander in my heart in relation to Jesus and the Lord.
Okay.
Of course I worship Homelander. I mean, he's always been a god to me.
Look, I'll tell you this. If there is a God, sure as hell didn't come out of my balls. I gotta go.
Where are you off to?
L.A. I fucking hate L.A.